What's up, guys? So in this video I will show you how to stop this Firefox Suggestions. So we will do some modifications, and after that no suggestions will appear. So open Firefox and click on this menu icon, click on settings. Okay, then click on privacy and security at the left, and here you need to scroll down and find Firefox Suggest. Okay, so here we need to find suggestions from the web and unselect it. Usually if you want to disable everything, then suggestion from sponsors as well. You can unselect and press the Firefox suggestion experience as well. Here you can also unselect shortcuts, search engine, bookmarks, browsing history. So then in this case, if you unselect all, no suggestions will be visible for you in the future when you will type something in your Firefox search. Okay guys, so this is how it works. Like, everything was easy, so subscribe and bye.